Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg quality better. Start by prioritizing a nutrient-dense diet. Incorporate plenty of antioxidant-rich foods like colorful fruits and vegetables, along with whole grains and healthy fats. These foods provide vital vitamins and minerals that support cellular health. Additionally, discuss with your healthcare provider if supplements such as CoQ10 or vitamin D could be beneficial for your specific needs. A good diet lays a strong foundation for improving egg health. Next, focus on optimizing your lifestyle. Stress can negatively impact your reproductive health, so find effective ways to manage it, such as daily meditation or gentle yoga. Ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is also crucial for hormonal balance and overall well-being. Regular, moderate exercise, like a brisk walk for 30 minutes, can further enhance blood flow and support healthy egg development. It is also vital to eliminate or significantly reduce exposure to harmful substances. Quitting smoking and minimizing alcohol intake are critical steps. Furthermore, try to limit your daily caffeine consumption to under 200 milligrams. Be mindful of environmental toxins and endocrine-disrupting chemicals found in certain plastics and personal care products, as these can interfere with hormonal function and egg quality. Making these changes can have a big impact. Finally, ensure you are well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily. Maintaining a healthy body weight is also paramount. Both being underweight or overweight can negatively affect egg quality and hormonal balance. Focus on sustainable habits for long-term success. For more great tips and to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.